Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the Technical Trader. It's Thursday, December 9th, and these are the charts of the day. Markets still, despite the choppiness, we're seeing a lot of stocks that are moving up sharply. An example of that today was Excelis Technologies, which jumped 36 cents or nearly 13% on 3.8 million. That was the second largest volume going back to June. More importantly, the recent breakout of the 3.5 week coiling consolidation flag type pattern, which broke out a couple days ago and backed off yesterday, came on again strong today on heavy volume. So now it looks like it's going to reach a short-term trading target about 3 3/4. Secondary target at lateral price resistance at around 6 may be doable, and that's what we'll designate at this point. Audio codes, AUDC, jumped 35 cents on 627,000 shares. That was a 6% gain. Notice that the little 4-day pennant or coil was broken today with a thrust and volume, and right now move up towards the 6 3/4, 7 range may be doable on a short-term basis. Beyond that, we could see the stock getting maybe towards 8. But momentum is strong in this one. As you can see, the stock's in a nice rising channel with good volume and surging technicals. Up next is EDAP, which made a significant move today out of its recent consolidation. But note the early November strength, moving it from 230 up to 4 3/4 on heavy volume, nearly doubling, more than doubling. This nice, slow, gentle pullback occurred in November, early December. Stock reversed yesterday, and then today followed through nicely, making new highs, jumping 71 cents or almost 18% on the heaviest volume in 3 weeks. Looks like if it gets through this zone here, we could see the stock at around 6 3/4. That's our next trading targets for EDAP. Eastman Kodak, a significant price volume surge today, trading 36.5 million shares, thrusting 56 cents or nearly 12%, and reaching up towards the June highs before backing off a little bit, but still up substantially today. And a move through this level here gets sets a trading target around a 6.5 level. Longer term, perhaps we can see up to 7 3/4 and then 9. Entropic is in a strong rising channel. We've been running up for about the last 8 or 9 months. More importantly, though, the significant wedge that formed here was broken last week. The stock's been following up nearly every day, up another 54 cents or 5% today. 6.6 million, that's the heaviest volume in about 6 weeks. Right now, the top of the channel around 14 beckons. That's our trading target. Excelis, EXEL, popped last month, coiled for about 3 weeks, and today popped another 69 cents or nearly 12% on 4 million shares. Looks to me like this one wants to reach higher levels, and we'll set a trading target about $8. One of our favorite gold resource, GORO, set a new all-time high today, popping $1.34 or 5.2%. Volume picked up to 444,000. More importantly, though, if you look at the long-term channel, you'll see a target in the high 30s, mid to high 30s anyway. We'll set a short-term trading target at 32, secondary target around 37. IDT Corp, significant movement here. I think the stock's about to take a pop tonight after the market close, they came out with fantastic earnings of 70 cents a share for the quarter. And the stock looks to me like it may gap up tomorrow. Anything across 24, we can see this thing run to 25 or 6 as early as tomorrow. But more importantly, I think we're looking at a stock that's going to trade up towards 30 and then 35. Those are our next two targets on it. Local.com, which had formed a nice base and then exploded last week, has been pulling back in the last couple of days, forming a nice little flag on lower volume. Technicals holding up well. I expect this to reverse, move back up towards $6, 6.25, and eventually get up towards the 8.5, 3/4 level. That's our intermediate target. MIPS had a big day today, breaking out of a 6-week coiling type or flagging type base. Notice that the rising channel bottom, 50-day moving average, lateral price support all held in the last few days. And then yesterday it reversed. Today it followed through a move through 1593, the early November high, and this stock is headed for 20 plus. OCZ Technologies popped, also came out of a 6-week consolidation today with a big thrust. 1.6 million shares, 75 cents or almost 19%. Top of the channel around 5 3/4 is their next target. Beyond that, around 7. Power One, PWER, popped out of a 4-day flag today. Volume picked up to 7.25 million shares, up 5.4% on, or 56 cents. Looks to me like the trading target up around 12.90, maybe doable short term. If that perchance is taken out, this stock could make a substantial move into the mid-teens, and that's what we'll be looking for. China Zhengzhou Mining, SHZ, which popped big time in October and then pulled back and coiled in here. Broke out at the end of last week, followed through early part this week and backed off yesterday, but today came on again up 50 cents or 14.5% on 2.5 million. If we can get it up past 460, I'm looking for 6.5 trading target in an intermediate term, 8.5, 9. SPMD Super Media, a big long downtrend, which saw this drop from 49 down to 4, was reversed big time with huge volume in the last several sessions. A big pop here, a pullback that tested the 21-day moving average 2 days in a row, popped up to the 50, couldn't quite get through and backed off yesterday with an inside day, and today popped 71 cents or 11% on 930,000. It appears to me that a move past 7.75 and this stock could spike up towards the trading target around 9.5. And lastly today is ZAGG, Z-A-G-G, which appears to be headed for higher levels. The stock popped out of a coiling type little pattern here 2 days ago, backed off yesterday after reaching up near the lateral price resistance up around 8.75, 8.80. A move through 8.80 in the next day or so could get this spiking up towards 10 and then 12. Those are our trading targets going forward. That's it for tonight and this week, and we'll talk to you guys Monday night. Bye-bye.